Hey guys, welcome you all in T3P. In this quick video, I am going to share how you can enroll for free OCI Generative AI professional training course and certification for absolutely free. And there is a time limitation for that one. Let's discuss where you can find all the details and how you can enroll for this training course and certification. So guys, I'm not sure you have gone through this post or not. I found it very helpful because here they announced that OCI Oracle Cloud is launching their AI professional certification. Last year they launched their foundation level certification, but this time they launched their professional level certification. It's similar to associate level certification what we are having our cloud providers. Okay, so the thing is here you can have the chance to enroll for free training that will be free for lifetime, but not lifetime, they mention it's indefinitely, but for the certification you have time till July 31. Okay, so what you will learn, that is the most important part. You will get the solid understanding of language models, that is known as LLM, and you will also develop proficiency in utilizing OCI Generative AI services capability. Next, you will also learn how you can build a RAG based chatbot using OCI Generative Services. So once you will click on any of the link here, you will reach on this page where it is mentioned pre-certification for OCI Generative AI. So what I'll recommend, just create your free learning account from this page. You just sign in and activate, and you will get 2 free attempts for the exam till 31st of July. Okay, you will have the access to whole training. What you will learn, that we will also discuss here. So first I will suggest to go through OCI AI fundamentals or foundation course, then you can proceed for this. So it will be easy for you, and that course is just for 3 to 4 hours. You can finish it and you can get the certification there. There is no camera there, so you have multiple times, or we can say multiple attempts there to get that certification, but here you have only 2. So what you will learn, that we already discussed, that you will learn the fundamentals of LLM. That is very important when you are working in AI. On AI, you will also learn how LLM building blocks works. Okay, next you will learn how to use OCI AI certification, AI services, and then you will learn building an LLM application with OCI Generative AI services. So you can understand it's not only the conceptual based certification or the course, it's based on your hands-on learning as well. So these are the things you will learn. Now what you need to do, once you will create your account, sign in, then you need to look for the access for your training. Then you will come to this page. Okay, what you need to do, you need to sign in. Once you sign in, you will see your account name here, then you need to enroll this one. So once you will click on enroll, it will mention like you are enrolled in this path. So here all the details is mentioned. We are not going through that one right now. So you just understand you need 6+ hours to complete this training and certification. So this training, you can see here, it is 6 hours training. These are video based training. Once you will have access, you will start this one. Next, you will also get some kind of cheat sheet, or we can say the quick summary of your certification, how to prepare for OCI Generative AI professional certification. Next, you will also get the practice exams. Before going for the live exam, you just need to go through it. Once you will click on next, you can see here you can register for your certification. So once you will go here, you just need to review the topics. Everything is mentioned, how much it is. So mostly they are focusing on how to use OCI Generative AI services and how you can build your LLM application with the OCI Generative AI services. You can see it consolidating around 80% of that one, and these are the few topics that you will learn. Okay, so here you can go for this one. Once you will go, you will be able to register for them. In general, this certification cost is around 20k. For Oracle Cloud, I know that associate level certification cost around 20k. Okay, so but you will get it for free. This is what I am trying to say. First you need to complete that training, then only you will be able to get the free certification. So this is what I am trying to say. Just take this chance very seriously, learn, implement, and perform some hands-on. Create your free OCI cloud account, then do some labs there, understand how the services work. Once you are confident, then you go for the certification. Once you pass, just mention in the comment box. And all the links which I am using here, I'll share in the description box along with my other video where I mentioned about the OCI Foundation certificate, OCI Foundation certification thing. So keep learning, keep transforming. See you in next video.